welcome back to Handmade with me, Marianne. So it's fall, and you know what that means? It means we are all contractually obligated to cover ourselves and our environment with pumpkins. It's in the legal documents about the founding of America. The founding fathers believed in life, liberty, and the pursuit of pumpkin spice. Anyway, so you guys know we love a good pumpkin project around here at Handmade, but a lot of you guys have complained in the past that those faux pumpkins can be really expensive, and it's true, they can. They can run anywhere from like $20 to $40 for a fake pumpkin. That's crazy. So today I'm going to show you how to turn a bag of trash into a pumpkin. Yes, that's right. Trash, pumpkin, put your hands together. We're making trash pumpkins. All right, so to get started, you're going to want to grab a grocery sack. Now I know a lot of places are starting to phase these out, which I think is an awesome idea, but you should still be able to get your hands on one, and this is a great way to put one to use so it doesn't end up in a landfill. And then you just want to grab some newspaper. Gather around, children. This is a newspaper. This used to be how you got the news. So you want to grab your newspaper and just start loosely balling it up. Once you have your grocery sack full of newspapers, we are just going to tie the handles at the top. Now, these little guys are going to become the stem of our pumpkin. So you just want to grab some masking tape, wrap it around the top. All right, so once that starts to resemble, you know, some kind of stem-like apparatus, you can just trim the top. Now grab some twine. So this is how we're going to make the ribs of our pumpkin to give it that nice sectioned look. And it's kind of like wrapping a present if the present was a bag of trash. And you can already see, I mean, it's like a pumpkin-like shape. Tie that securely at the top, and we're going to do 2 more. So we have 8 total pumpkin sections. See, we've got the general shape of a pumpkin. Okay guys, so when we first started thinking about this project, our idea was to cover our bag of newspaper with paper mache. But paper mache can be a little messy, it's a little sticky, it's a little unwieldy. And so instead we decided to try our new discovery, which is paper mache pulp. This is 100% paper pulp that you just mix with water and can form around different things. It's pretty inexpensive. You get a huge bag. It's not sticky, but you should remove any rings that you were wearing because it might get in the nooks and crannies. We don't want that. All right, we're gonna start by scooping some of this up. Grab some water, and there's no strict ratio. You just want it to be pretty wet. Get your hands in there. So you'll know it's ready when it sticks together like that. And then we're just gonna kind of take little clumps of it like this and start forming it onto our pumpkin. So we're going to cover the top half of the pumpkin, and you want to leave the stem uncovered until the end so you can use it to turn the pumpkin around. And just kind of start molding it, keeping those ridges in mind. Just go for it. once you have about half of the pumpkin done, we're gonna do the stem and then set this aside to dry. And it takes, I don't know, a good day or two. You wanna put it in a nice dry spot. Then we'll be able to flip it over and do the underside. I never said this was a fast project, but it is a pretty easy one and it's pretty inexpensive. It's cute too. Now we're gonna set this one aside to dry, and luckily we have one that's already dry that we're going to swap back in so I can show you how to finish the bottom. Okay, so through the magic of television, here is our half finished dry pumpkin. Now to finish this, you wanna grab some kind of bowl or vase like this so that you can turn it over, and protect our little stem, and finish the bottom. So now we're gonna set this aside to dry. And it's time for pumpkin number 3. So guys, as you see, a few days later, and some paper mache paste, we have what is starting to really look like a pumpkin. So to finish our adorable paper mache pumpkin, we're gonna give it a coat of cream colored paint. And then we're going to take some taupe, kind of tan-ish paint to accent those, what did I call them?
Ribs.
Ribs. And if you're wondering, Marianne, could I paint that trash pumpkin orange? Yes! Yes, you can paint your trash pumpkin orange. You can paint your trash pumpkin purple. You know, the world is your oyster. You could paint it teal. You could paint it magenta.
Hey, Marianne, what about cerulean?
Hey, Jenny, you can paint your pumpkin any color except cerulean, you monster. Now we're going to take the same taupe paint and add a little bit of water to dilute it. Just eyeball it. You just want to make it a little bit less opaque. And now we're just going to define those ribs just a little bit. Alright guys, I think we're done. What do you think? What do you think about my trash pumpkin? Be kind, I worked very hard on her. But in all seriousness, I think this turned out really cute. It's got this great rustic feel. It's like screaming farmhouse vibes to me. It's adorable for Halloween and it would look great clear on through to Thanksgiving. And the best part is, if you take care of it, you can use it year after year. What do you guys think? Are you into decorative gourd season, pumpkin spice, all the things, or would you rather skip straight ahead to Christmas? Why don't you let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Dig around in the drawer. Jenny is like squatting back. What are you doing?
My legs hurt.
Do you need a stool to sit?
I'm good.
If you guys could see what I see, you would see Jenny going directly in my sightlines. And Jenny on my team has really been trying to sell me on calling them jumpkins. And I refuse. I refuse to call these anything other than what they are, which is a pumpkin made of trash. We did consider garbage gourds, but we're going with trash pumpkins. Guys!
So I can cut this stupid shot so Karen doesn't have to watch you paint this white pumpkin white any longer.
Gosh, I don't know what you're talking about. This is quality television. It's It's adorable for how. I don't think I really finished did I finish the video?
I don't know.
You said it.